Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to Elliot Master Live Trading Channel. Today is January 13th, 2021. My name is Philippe. I'm the trader on this channel. My video is off right now, but it should be shortly on. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Click on the little bell so you can get a notification of when I go live. If you're a returning trader, please click like on the video. Let me put my disclaimer on. Please take a moment to read this. You follow any of our trades, doing so at your own risk. We're not responsible for any losses or damages. Always use a stop. All right. My video will be off for a little bit. All right, looks like all the markets are going negative. I was betting on it going north, but did not happen. Everything got blocked on the overnight. I had trades going north since yesterday, 3 o'clock. Should have cleared gold at 63. I was up, I believe it was $3,000. I was up $1,000 on the NQ, and it came all down and it took me out. I believe gold, I'm the same trade with one contract. Yeah. Alright, looks like I'm gonna get stopped out here on the NQ. Alright, here we go. Alright, so gold I'm going for a minor C. Then if it turns into a wave 3, it should actually go to 86, but I'm going to clear at 78 because there's a huge lot at, so there's a couple of big lots, one at 67 that could block everything, which would be right underneath maximum 3, which is at 70. There's a big order all the way up at 1880 of 131. So let's see if the market wants to go all the way up there. All right, give me filled in the queue. All right, it's gonna be $400 on the NQ if I get filled here. Actually, I'm gonna go a little lower here. Oh. All right, stop at entry on the NQ. All right. All right, cannot take a chance here on gold. Just in case it wants to go south, I'll just re-enter. I usually don't trade the ES or the YM. Too many robots. Yeah, good luck. Yeah. Yeah, I usually stay away from anything that has too many algos, Johannes, and that's the ES and YM. So, all right, here we go. Come on. All right, now I need to concentrate on charts. All right, here we go. Let's see. And good morning to everyone. Right, if someone is not long on gold, you can go long right now. Target at 60. So go long at 57.7. Stop at 57 even. Target 60. It's already running. So now you'll be chasing. Be careful. Don't take it now unless you're willing to risk putting your stop at 57. Oh, I'm tempted to raise up this NQ. Alright, I'm going to raise it up and I'm just going to watch it. Let's see. No reason why leave money, leave some money on the table here. It may want to go to, all right, it may stop at 62. There's a nice 114 lot up there. All right, already up 1800 both trades. All right, so NQ blocks one. Oh, that was just annihilated. Boom. Next block on the NQ is gonna be at 50. There's a 92 lot. If we could pass that, we're going all the way up to 62. Alright, let's see if I can find support. No place to find support. So let's see if maximum and minimum C are support. Alright, hope I didn't make a mistake not clearing on my target. Looks like the YM wants to stay negative and is bringing down the ES. Alright, we'll need the YM to wake up here. Otherwise it could kill our trade. Here we go, here we go. Alright, there's a 97 lot at 50. That's pretty big for DNQ. Alright, I think I'm going to clear a 62 here on the NQ. It might not even pass 50. Alright, YM is turning around. It looks like it's turning around, but now the ES is... Alright, here we go. We should start going up again. Looks like the ES is stuck in a range, and that is hurting the NQ trade. Alright, I may get stopped out here on gold. Yeah, ES is dropping. But I'm pretty confident about target on gold. That's exactly where it bounced off yesterday. I had a target of 63, and then I moved it up, and it went all the way up to, I believe it was 62.8 or 62.4, and it never went back up. So it may want to visit that area again. And there's still some big orders up there. But the biggest one is at 67. There's a 142 lot. That is really big for gold. And then there's a 131 lot at 80. $20 points up, very doable, but we will need NQ to cooperate. right, let me draw some of these targets out. So here is all right. There we go. Minimum C's first, maximum C right at 69.9, and then wave 3 if it turns into a wave 3, 85.9. Oh, and here comes the NQ. Bummer. All right, looks like ES is turning around, so it may keep this NQ trade up. Let's keep my fingers crossed here. No. ES is struggling. ES is struggling to stay positive, and this will probably take me out. There's a big lot. There's a big bid on ES at 37.90. It may want to go there. It's almost 500 lots. That is a big order for the ES. All right, I should have cleared at my target 3 and I didn't, and left money on the table. Yeah, if they all go negative, it's not gonna happen. All right, I'm gonna take another long here on the NQ. Oh my god, my ATM was not on. Shoot. Well, I'm just doing manually. All right, looks like ES is waking up. Let's go. Come on, react gold. Let's go. I'm gonna split this gold again. Oh, too late. All right, I think we're going all to the downside. All right. Well, I'm still positive $1,000. So, all right, got some money to play, so I'm not really worried. But look at that drop on the NQ. Yeah, ES -5. Okay, so we're going to the downside. So let's start looking for some trades to the downside. So gold is the gold and NQ. Okay, gonna try another NQ here. Again, my ATM's not on. Oh, man. What the hell is going on here? I'm going to keep these tight just in case NQ wants to go negative. I don't mind if I get stopped out. So target on the NQ is 13,000 even. $13.03. Yeah, but ES and YM are tanking. I don't think it's gonna happen. Yeah, not gonna happen. I'm still not done with the longs though. We could be at a correction here, level. All right. One more time. One more time. Keep it tight. We are at a full correction here. I'm going to give myself a little more room here just in case. Just in case, but I don't think it's going to happen. Giving a lot of money back here. Come on, stay up. And gold is just watching to see what the NQ does. All right, the S and YM pretty negative, but YM, as we know, sometimes it stands alone. It does, I mean, the NQ just stands alone and does what it wants. As you see, I'm not a fan of giving up. Sometimes you're right on the direction, but just wrong on the entry. So it's not where you get in, it's where you get out. That's the, you want to succeed in trading, it's where you get out, not where you get in. All right, let me plot these. So gold trade, it's still alive because the entry on the long was at 53.5. My entry was just kind of offset because I added and it was long from last night still. But the true entry where I added contracts this morning, that was the entry, 53.5. So stop at 51.6, entry 53.5, and target 62.6. All right, I'm gonna try it again on gold. Ah, my ATM's not on this one either. Since I changed from overnight to cash market, the system did not reload my ATMs. All right, so I'm gonna keep this tight. right here. And target right there. All right, looks like ES is trying to make a comeback with the YM. And here they come down again. Right, if I get stopped out on these, I'm just gonna take a break and regroup and think about going shorts or just seeing where the market wants to go. Not in a hurry here. Already more than halfway of what I've made last month. All right, come on, gold, react. Let's go. So NQ may stop at 943. It may do a double top there and just bounce, but there's an 85 lot at 931. So that's gonna be the first obstacle on the NQ. 931. That's a pretty good size lot for the NQ. All right, here we go. ES back at positive. We need YM to be positive at least 30 to 50. These days I like the YM to be above or below 80 to set in a trend, a directional trend. Last year I got killed many times when it was only negative 70. Oh yeah, it's going down. Boom, go all the way back up to 0. I had that happen to me one day 3 times. It went down to 70 and back to 0. Then plus 30 and then all the way back again to 70. Then all the way up again. Got killed in the YM. That's why I'm not trading the YM anymore. Alright, moving stop to entry here on the NQ. Yes, it's having a hard time staying positive, and this could influence the NQ. Alright, so gap has been closed on all of the markets, so there's no gaps open from yesterday. All right. Gave some money back, but with this NQ trade right now. I'm up $1,500. Come on, gold, react. Let's go. There's a 76 lot at 61 on gold. That could be a roadblock. Well, there's 145 at 67. All right, I'm gonna move up to 67. Be a little bit early, so it could be the first in line. All right, I'm taking a Russell long. Target on the Russell would be 21.22. All right, guys, you know where I'm at. I'm gonna go get some tea. I'll be back in a couple minutes. Alright, almost at target here on alright, why isn't the video on? Is it on? Okay, why isn't my video on? Alright, almost at target on my Russell trade. I think I need to start a new video. Huh. My video is not streaming. Capture video. As source. Right, what the hell is, there it is, okay. Alright, almost at target here. On my Russell, be a really nice trade. It'll be a 4.8 risk versus reward. It's gonna be a banger. Alright, I don't know what's going on here. Gold just doesn't want to move. I think it's waiting to see if NQ is gonna go negative, and the reason why that would happen is because NQ never corrected yesterday, so it needs a major correction, and maybe that's why gold is just floating and waiting to see if NQ is gonna just come crumbling down. They did a correction on the overnight, but has not done a full correction from yesterday's low. It did a partial one, but I don't think it's counting. So NQ needs to come at least down to 832. So maybe that's why gold is a little sluggish to go to the positive side, or maybe investors just think gold is overbought. Alright, moving my stop to entry here on my Russell. Alright, let me draw these. I never drew them. Let me draw these targets. Alright, why am trying to stay positive. Maybe gold is waiting on that too, because it's struggling. Right, already up 1200 on this NQ trade. I'm gonna move my stop up, see if I can find a support here. If it comes down, oh, it looks like NQ just bounced off of a minimum C. All right, let me draw these out. Top of minimum C. All right, could be done here on the NQ. Be careful if you're long. Bring up your stop. So those are minimum and maximum C. Let's see how it reacts at 950. There's a 92 lot, so it could be over. Especially because YM is struggling to stay on the positive side, but ES is already positive 6. I like to see ES minimum of 10 on either side to set in a trend, which would mean usually it's 10 YM to 1 ES, so that would mean 100 points on the YM. So that's what I usually like to see to set in a trend. So we're not there. So we could see a crash here on the NQ. All right, I'm bringing my stop up. I need to. All right, right now, if I was to get out, I would be up around $2,500, $2,500. If you're a Topstep guy, or Leeloo, or any of those, was it earn to trade or to trade, or whatever it is, I don't know. But this is how you want to be trading. If you can make money with one contract, you can make money with 10. Do not start trading 2, 3, contracts if you're trying to pass a combine or if you have a small account. It's not about quantity, it's about quality. If you can make money with one contract, you could be trading 3, 4 within 6 months. Right, next roadblock on the NQ is 55. There's a 75 lot there. Looks like it doesn't want to trade above that, so it may want to crash down. I'm raising my stop again. Then after that, it's going to be at 62. There's a 64 lot. So I could be shooting myself on the foot here, raising my stop, but I'll just try to re-enter. But look at YM, already negative again. So sometimes it does get influenced, sometimes it doesn't. All right, almost got stopped out on my Russell trade at entry. So I think Russell and YM are in correlation. right, if you're not happy with the long on gold, you can go short at 5.8, stop at 57, target at 52.7. This could be a good trade, especially if the NQ turns around because of the YM. Alright, so I'm going to have to lock in some profits just in case. What am I saying? No, hold on, I got this wrong. Hold on a second. No, I was reading that wrong. I'm sorry. No, stop is at 61 and entry at 55.8. But I wouldn't take that, especially now that NQ is still going. Alright, so we gobbled up all of those big lot orders. Actually, some of them were pulled on the NQ, so they were spoofed. Alright, bringing my stop up again. I'm going to lock this in. Already up 1,500 on this NQ trade. Up to 70, to 80. Right, overall, I'm at 2,600. Alright, let me reload this. I may end my day early here, guys. I am beat from yesterday's surf session. Tide was low. Got banged up in the sandbar pretty good. So I'm very sore. I'm gonna move it up one. Oh, I got stopped out at entry on my Russell. Alright, so Russell and YM are in correlation. Alright, so gold may stop at 62.6, where it found resistance yesterday. So it may work today also. But there is a we already talked about 61. There was a 62 lot, and they're selling short right before it. So this may bring it all down. Alright, there's another. Okay, here we go. Right, if you want to go short on the on gold, I wouldn't take it, but here's, it just did another ABC up, but it's, yeah, it would be short at 59.1. 59.1, and target is at 57.9. So a good little scalp stop you could put at 60.8. I wouldn't take that, but it's your call. If you believe you could get a scalp out of that, good luck. Alright, gonna get stopped out here on the NQ. could bring it down to 35, but I'm not going to. I want to lock in these profits just in case I decide to end my day here. Need to be on top of my notes, my trading diary. Make sure I don't make the same mistakes I made yesterday. I got very lucky yesterday that I was able to read the bottom of that NQ. Otherwise, it would have been a disaster. What do they say? Making the same mistakes over and over is insanity. All right, here we go. See if we can make a new higher high. Oh, and look at the Russell. I got stopped out at entry, and it's halfway through again on the trade. All right, missed an opportunity in that one. That would have been a really nice trade. No, I'm going to take it again. I'm just going to go and chase it. All right. Again, target on the Russell is 2122. 2122. Okay, so here we are. I'm above wave 3, but let me draw these wave 3 targets on the NQ. And I'm just above because I'm hoping that those big lots will be magnets. Sometimes they are, sometimes they're not. So if you don't know about order flow, the market always looks for liquidity. You have to have someone on the other side. So if you're trading 1,000 lots, you need someone else to be willing to take your 1,000 lots. So you look for these levels. I mean, 1,000 contracts. Each lot in futures is 1,000. So at each handle on futures, you could trade 1,000 lots. All right, here we go. NQ busting up. All right, so we're going to have a hard time at 80. 80 is the roadblock. I am tempted to clear it. You know what? I'm going to clear at 80. I'm not going to be greedy. All right, I'm going to be a little bit under just in case it wants to go and bounce off of that. I mean, in case no one wants to trade at 80. So it's either a magnet because there's liquidity, but then it falls short because no one wants to trade at that level. If someone has a short there at 80, whoever's going long believes it and wants to go short before. He wants to front run it. look at gold. Completely sideways inside of a small little range. Alright, nothing's happening anywhere else. Not seeing any movement on the 6J or 6E. Alright, woof, alright. New high on the NQ. This could be it. Alright, I'm gonna bring stop up again. That might have been it for the NQ, up 86. I may not want to go to 80. Here come. All right. Here we go. Hit it, hit it, hit it. Come on, NQ. Right. It goes to target. I'll probably make $2,000 here on the NQ. Already up 17, 40, 30. All right, here comes crashing down. All right, so it's having a hard time passing 973. All right, there's a short opportunity here on the NQ. It could be a good trade. It would be short right now at 64. Target 46. Very doable. I think I'm going to take that. Unless I see it bounce again, but I'm right at entry. All right, I got my ATM ready. Look how gold is dropping. All right, I'm going to try it. One contract. Oh, I bought the wrong side. Shoot. Oh, and I made some money. Right, keep it short. All right, just looking for a correction here. So we made a new high, overall high. But I could be giving some money back here, and I am. Okay. All right, I'm going to get stopped out. Chance I took, I was willing to take that chance. All good. But I'm right above the high. Maybe I'll find resistance again at 79.2. And almost that target at Russell again. All right, I was wrong on the NQ. I'm giving back about 150 bucks. All good. up already $2,500. With this gold trade, I'm about 2,600. So I'm a big fan of these small little targets on the NQ, YM, and Russell. I think they're always doable, but I could be wrong on this one. All right, I'm tempted to take that short on gold at 59.1. So if I get stopped out, I may see if I can get filled higher to go short. So stop would be at 60.8, target 57.8. True entry is a 59.1. I don't know if I will chase it. Most likely I will not chase it if I don't get filled, especially now that NQ is dropping. Oh, if anybody wants to take a short on the ES, you could probably go short at 98.25, target 80.25, stop at 3802.25. Oh, almost getting filled here on, oh my God, it came one tick away from getting filled on my Russell. Come on, hit it, hit it, hit it. No way. Oh. All right, moving stop to entry here on the Russell. Almost got filled. Here we go, going back up again. All right, just got taken out on the NQ. So it may. All right, so I'm out of gold too. I'm gonna wait on the gold here, just in case NQ wants to go up to 80. All right. So I'm up 2,375. Not a bad day's work. And I just got filled on my Russell. Yoo-hoo! Nice. I chased it, didn't make as much as I wanted from the original entry, but I loaded up on the contracts and it paid off. It paid off. I won't tell you how much since I'm not streaming, but yes, it's a good day. All right, looks like that ES trade may get taken out. All right, I'm going to take a long here on the 6J. See if I could do a quick scalp here on 6J. Alright, here comes the NQ again. Should have never gone out on my trade. Probably going to go up to that 80. And that ES never went down to get filled, and it's already at the stop. So that's not a trade that's going to happen. And here goes the NQ. Yep, definitely left some money on the table. I would have gotten out already. Too bad. Alright, so I reached my target. Now what's going on with gold? Alright, so we may have a short opportunity here. I'm going to go for a scalp on the NQ. Quick little scalp. Just looking for a correction. Nothing else. There's nothing above on the NQ. There's a 34 lot at 84. I believe that's not attractive enough. But I could be wrong, but let's see. Excuse me. All right, there's a 65 lot at 62, so it could stop at 62. So now, all right, stop at entry. I don't want to give any of this money back. Here we go. So let's be careful with 62. Oh, it's bouncing even before it got there. All right, I'm going to lock in. Ooh. All right, I wasn't expecting to go up that much. All right, so they could not. All right, here we go again. They're not pulling the orders. So not all of that got filled. So there's still 47 left at 62 even. ES and YM are dropping. So is the Russell. Okay, I'm going to go for a short on gold. Going to go for an ABC. A little early before, a little short of the ABC. I'm not going to go for the full ABC. And I'm going to keep it tight. Just in case NQ cannot pass this 62. All right, another short on the YM. I'm sorry, the ES. And that the entry on that would be at 97.50. Stop at 38.04. Target 80.25. All right, look at the NQ. Bouncing off. So it's having a hard time passing that 62. Doesn't mean it's done. It needs to find support at 72.25. Doesn't find support at 72.25. Most likely I'm going to get stopped out. Not support. Resistance. Right, sellers are trying to come in. They may be waning here, but it's a good fight. Buyers may be running out of steam. 72 could be resistance. It looks like it's holding. And not. Okay. All right, there's another long opportunity on the Russell. Another small. If ES goes up, this could be a good trade. Target's 21.24.2. I am tempted to take that, but I think the ES is going to tank. So I am not going to take that stop. Yeah, the stop would have been at 21.20. All right, they added another 113 at 81 on the NQ. So that's probably going to take me out. Oh. All right, it's going to come down. It's going to come down right now. Just did a correction up. Still hasn't done a correction down. And the Russell, I would have been stopped out if I would have taken that. I knew that was not a good trade. Come on, NQ, come down, let's go. YM already negative. ES is stalling to go negative. But once it goes, that target of 80 is very doable. All right, stopped out here on the NQ. It looks like I'm going to be giving back $110 here on the gold trade. So I'm ready to go short at any time here on the NQ. All right, I'm going to try one more time. One more time. It did not pick up enough momentum to the upside. Seems that they don't want to trade above 79. Okay, I could be wrong here, but I'm seeing weakness. No follow through. All right, here we go. That ES trade is going to get filled. Oh. I'm tempted to move my stop down to entry again on this NQ, and I'm going to. And here we go with gold. Let's go. All right, I'm gonna get out at 50, just in case it doesn't wanna. All right, I got stopped out at my 6J. Didn't lose much. So 6J is following the NQ. So now I know not to go against the NQ on 6J. Or it could be following the ES. One of those two. All right, so that ES trade just reached entry. All right, nice little trade here on the NQ. Bounced right off of my target. Boom, on the money. All right, let me go back to my dome here on gold. Moving gold to entry. It should hit it. Come on, gold. Come on, let's go. I'm going to move it up one tick. Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Oh, come on. All right, I may not want to fill because the NQ is going back up again. So I think I raised it too late. Yep. I think I made a mistake. Should have raised that one tick a little bit earlier. Yeah. All right. All good. All good. At least I picked up a nice little scalp here on the NQ. So almost up 2,800 for the day. Not a bad day. All right, still looking for that little scalp on gold. But that might have been it. Especially if NQ keeps on going up as we're watching. But again, the true target on gold is 57.4. 57.4. Entry would have been at 59.1. So I should have been up about $100 already, right? All right. Didn't lose any money. Didn't lose commission either. So all good. I may go in at the original entry. Let's see if it'll let me in. It may not, because now the NQ is dropping again. But if I'm going to get in, I want to get in cheap. So then I'll have a nice little buffer. Just in case the NQ wants to mess around in this value area here. So there's obviously a value area being formed right here where maximum C was. All right, we don't need this anymore. We're done with that. Done with this. And look at gold, right to target, huh? Wow. Screwed up on that one. Oh, it's too tight. I hope somebody stayed in it. So on a longer time frame, there is a gold trade going short at 51.6, stop at 61.9, target 1808.8. And it could be a true trade because gold was not able to pass being positive more than 6 points all night and this morning. So it could be a valid trade. All right, I'm going to be very tight now. I'm only going to look for scalps. I don't want to give any of this money back. I'm already past the 10,000 profit. From now till the inauguration is probably going to be very volatile, so we need to be very careful. All right, here comes the NQ. Woo! All right, it could bounce off of my true target, which was 46.5. We just came a couple of ticks away from it. You guys recall, I got out early, but the true target was 46.5. All right, I'm going to take a long here on a 6J trade here. Let's see if I could. This will be a monster of a trade. Woo! It goes to target. It's going to be a 6.7 risk versus reward. Target is 0096505. So if we see ES or NQ go up, 6J moves very fast. So it could be a really good trade here. All right, going for it. I'm already up from that Russell trade, so I got some money to play in my other account. Right, ES may want to go up. There's a 300 lot at 3.5. So it may want to go up there and bounce off of that. That could be a resistance area, but it's a fairly new lot order. So it could be spoof. Not sure. Okay, I'm going to go for a quick scalp here on gold. Going to keep it really tight. Just a quick scalp to the upside here. Just looking for a little correction here from this ABC. Nothing else. I'm not willing to risk that much. Don't want to give any of this money back. So risking 50 bucks. So I'm going for what is that? 5.3 risk versus reward. Oh, and I'm out. Okay. I'm going again. Not done. Not done. Not done. Especially because these. Alright, but I'm going to be a little less optimistic here on the target. It's going to go for a quick scalp up. And Q went all the way back up. So, alright. Back at positive on my 6J. Got a little scalped here on gold. I should have gone in at 57.3. But that's the price you pay when you do a market order, right? I was willing to get scalped. But true entry would have been at 57.3. Come on, 6J, let's go. And look at the NQ driving up again, going for new higher highs. Let's see if it can make a new high of the day. So all of those lot order, oh, it's being blocked. It's being blocked. This could hurt my gold. So at 80 now, there's a 60 lot, and 30 of it is one solid player. So anytime you see one solid player that carries a lot of weight and went right through and they pulled it, only 30 lots of it got filled. So one solid player usually scares the market because it could be a national bank, could be a big bank, a hedge fund. So usually other traders will think, oh, he may know something that I don't know. Or their trade carries weight. All right, come on, gold, let's go. So you guys remember my true target on the NQ was 13,000. Go, go, yes, yes, hit it, hit it, hit it. Come on, yes. All right. Woo, almost up 3 grand. right, we may see a little correction here on gold. It may want to do a little wave 4 to the downside and then finish up with a wave 5 if NQ wants to do a correction also. Let me plot a wave 4 here. So it may come down here, so there could be a long opportunity. Is that showing? It is not showing. All right, that's showing. So there could be a long opportunity anywhere from here. And then it will either go back again to where my target was, or it can go higher. Let me plot a wave 5 here for you guys. So wave 5, it could either be a truncated, it's called truncated when it ends before wave 3 swing, or it could end at wave 3, or it could pass wave 3. So draw up the targets. So it's hard to figure out where a truncated is, so there's no way to go and plot a truncated. It will end wherever it wants to end. But I could plot above, at, or above. Come on. I need to open this chart more. Alright, so wave 5 will always be a cayenne color. So you guys haven't figured out yet. Oh, that's the wrong color. C's are always dark blue. Wave 2 is a yellow. Wave 3, lime. Wave 4, orange. And wave 5, cayenne. Wave 1 is the hardest wave to plot, so you hardly ever see me do a wave 1. Is that showing? It is not showing. Why isn't it showing? Oh, charts. There they are. But one of them is not showing. Alright, so there could be a long opportunity here. I'm going to go for it. No, I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait. It may want to come a little further down. Alright, I may lose an opportunity, but I'm willing to take a risk on not getting filled. If it's going to get me in, I want to get in really cheap. Oh, and here comes NQ going for higher highs. Okay, I may have to chase this. Alright. Oh, where's my ATM? Okay, ATM is so low. Okay, I'm going to have to add a little more risk here. Alright. Now, this could be a horrible trade because NQ may want to correct because they just did a new high of the day, high of the night, overall high. So, what do traders do? They go short, right? So I should really be at 56.4 is where I should really be. But I am not willing to risk. I'll just go in again. Because again, NQ needs to correct. And I'm not willing to keep lowering my stop like I did yesterday. I cannot make the same mistakes I did yesterday. All right, I got my stop at entry on the 6J, just in case NQ and ES, all of them come crashing down. All right, so I'm gonna go for a wave 3. I mean a maximum 5. In case NQ keeps on going. But I should really be at the bottom here. Again, I still think that gold may want to test that 63 from yesterday. You know what? I'm gonna go for it. And I'll watch it, and we'll see what happens. If there's any roadblocks, I'll just get out before. But let's see. There is a 63 lot at 61, so it could end at 61. There was a 146 lot at 67, which was my original target, and they pulled that to 45, but they just added 105 to 67.4. So if NQ keeps on going, or if gold is let out of his cage and does his own thing, we may see it go up there. But I'll be happy with 4 points here. All right. 6J. Woo, let's go. think I'm getting my enthusiasm back. I may go surfing again. Alright, let me check the surf. I may go surfing again. But the swell is dropping. Oh, it's not bad. Maybe fun. Oh yeah, it's clean. Tide's still a little high though. Need to wait for the tide to come down. Alright, I'm going to take a chance here on gold. I'm going to move it down to where it should actually be. So I'm risking a little more here. Alright, what is that, 130 I'm risking? Alright, so that ES trade south is still alive. The stop would have been at 38.4. I'm sorry, 38.4. 3,804. Yeah, so ES is almost at that 10 positive. Yeah, I would be afraid to go short on the ES unless we just see YM just go negative 100 points. All right, look at the NQ. Woo! Yeah, I'm staying away from the NQ. I'm probably right on that 1300, but I don't have a re-entry area. So maybe a short opportunity at 13,000. Right, NQ already up 100 points. So I'm going to watch that 13,000. There may be a short opportunity. There's already a 70 lot up there. So I should have never gotten out of my NQ trade. I should have just stayed on it and just lowered my stop. But hey, if I knew the future. And this is really going to make my 6J. Woo! Already up $300 in the 6J. It's going to be a nice one. Oh, man. 6.7 risk versus reward. That is a huge trade. All right. Gold's being a little bit sluggish. It's waiting to see if NQ is going to, again, drop from making a new higher high. Gold traders are very smart. But if you don't know, The smartest traders out there are bonds, T-bills and bonds. Those are the smartest traders in the stock market. But gold's not bad. Yeah, when you're messing with a nation's capital, you have to put your best. Even though the U.S. is not gold back anymore, a lot of other countries do have their economy backed by gold. All right, we may see a drop here. ES, YM, and Russell. Russell's going to go for a new lower low. All right, I may have to move my stop to entry here on gold. This may take me out, but I don't want to give any money back. I could be leaving money on the table, but I'm willing. I'll just re-enter. I'll just re-enter, no big deal. So gold may stop at 59.3. It may stop right now because this could be a truncated 5. Remember, we're going for a wave 5. So you can't see it on the Renko, but this it would have been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. And this is on a smaller time frame. So it's not, the play is not off of this chart that I'm streaming. But 1 up, 2, 3 up, 4, 5 to one of these targets. So where we're at now could be a truncated 5. All right, short opportunity on the NQ. So NQ short would be at 81.75, stop at 93.5, target 941. Oh, I'm tempted to take this. All right, I'm going to take this. I'm going to take this one. So all right, I'm going to get out of my 6J just in case we see a crash here. Not what I wanted, but I am very happy. And I'm going to cancel this E6E here. I was going to take I was looking to get filled on a 6E, but I'm canceling that. All right, high risk trade here because we're so close to 1300. So be very careful if you are going short with me. But again, NQ needs to make a full correction. YM is not happy being positive. ES is dropping. All right, guys, it's going to be my last trade. Russell. All right, I'm out of my... All right, cool. Good profit there. I'm happy. Okay, I'm going to look to take a short on gold too. I should have done it already. All right, let me see if I can get a little cheaper here, but I couldn't be missing an opportunity. I could be missing an opportunity. So maybe I'm wrong on the, or maybe that was the truncated 5, or maybe this it's a wave 3. Oh, it's too late now. Yeah, always being conservative, and I could have missed a trade. So maybe we're doing a wave 3 to the downside, and this would be the target right here. And look at that. Oh, man. See, this is the problem with streaming. I have to tell you guys what I'm thinking, and I lose out on opportunities because I would have just taken that. I would have taken that trade. Look at that. Straight to target. Yeah. Lost out on that trade. I could have had at least 1.5 points. Well, there's still a next target if anybody wants to take it. Yeah, if I'm not streaming, I just do it. But since I'm streaming, I have to give you guys heads up, and I lose a lot of opportunities. Oh well. And now I would be afraid of getting filled. I think I'm going to cancel this. Yeah, I'm going to cancel. All right, NQ, stop at entry. So there may be a buying opportunity, a selling opportunity on gold if it does a wave 2 up, which it's at right now. So it could be an area to go short. Right there. So then this would be a wave 3.2. So 3 down, a wave 2 inside of 3, and then 3 down to target, which would be a 3.3. So it's already on the box, so it could be an area to go short. If I was going to take it, I would wait to see a 58. Come on, NQ. Rip it. Let's go. Let's rip it up. Right, ready up 300 on the NQ. I'm past the $3,000 profit. And look at gold. Woo! Yeah, I'm not feeling it on gold. I don't have my mojo on gold this morning, so I'm not. But it's been going to my target, so. But I'm just not comfortable. And that ES trade is still alive. Never got stopped out. All right, let's see some roadblocks on the NQ. So first roadblock is gonna be at 59. Then at 50. But the true block is at 945. So it could end at 945, which would be right here. So, you know what? I'm not going to be greedy. I'll be happy with any amount of profit. I'm going to get out at 51. May leave some money on the table, but I'm okay with it. ES and YM going up again. This could stop me out on this NQ trade. But I'm protected, so I don't care. All right, we need to see a new lower low here. Otherwise, it could be over. I'm tempted to bring down my stop to 75. If we don't see a new lower low, I may have to do that. All right, looks like it's not playing nice. All right, oh, there it is. What did I tell you guys? Big move up. Yep, it was just not happy. And I'm going to get stopped out. Well, hey, it's all right. Made 150 bucks. Made 150 bucks. All good. I'm up 3,060. But the short is still good. I'm the one that just got scared out of it. But the short's still good. I still have a bit of PTSD from yesterday. Oh shit, that was gnarly. Ah! Yeah, still a little bit shooken up from yesterday. So I'm very skittish. But the short's still good. Alright guys, I think I'm done. So let me call out again these targets. NQ true target is at 12,941. 12,941. The ES target is at 3880. If anybody wants to take that 6J is still alive. And the target on that is 0.0096505. And then write down these targets of gold, 56.2 and 55 even. All right, everyone. Thank you very much. I hope you all have a great day. Hope you made some money. If you didn't, there's always tomorrow. Live to trade another day. All right. Thank you, everyone. Cheers. I'm out. Going surfing.